Have you ever wondered how plants make their own food? It's quite a magical process, and it's called photosynthesis. Imagine standing outside on a sunny day. You can feel the warmth and see the brightness of the sunshine, right? Well, the sun is essential in helping plants make their food. It's like their secret ingredient. Plants don't eat food like us or animals. Instead, they have found a clever way to cook up their meals using sunlight, air, and water. Let's learn how they do it. Plants have special parts called leaves, and these leaves are like tiny kitchens or restaurants. Inside these leaf kitchens, plants use sunlight's energy to turn water from the ground and carbon dioxide from the air into something yummy for them, sugar and oxygen. First, let's talk about the sunlight. Plants have a green substance known as chlorophyll that helps them capture sunlight energy. You can think of chlorophyll as the chef's hat worn by the plant, allowing it to cook its food. When sunlight hits the plant's leaves, the chlorophyll grabs onto that energy. Next is the water and carbon dioxide. Plants drink up water from the ground through their roots. At the same time, they gather carbon dioxide, which is a gas, from the air. You can imagine the roots acting as straws, sipping water from the soil. In the leaves' kitchens, sunlight energy, water, and carbon dioxide mix together in a big party called photosynthesis. This party results in sugar, which plants use as their food, and oxygen, which is a gas that makes its way back into the air for us to breathe. This amazing process doesn't need pots and pans or a stove. It's all happening perfectly inside each green leaf. Can you believe that all plants, from little daisies in the garden to towering trees in the forests, are skilled chefs? Photosynthesis helps plants not only grow big and strong but also creates food for lots of other creatures on Earth. When animals eat plants, and then humans eat those animals, or directly eat plants, they are nourished by the energy made during photosynthesis. So next time you see a plant or tree, you'll know that it's hard at work, cooking up its meal using sunlight. And thanks to these plant chefs, we have oxygen to breathe. Isn't nature amazing? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.